Sagittarians, this is Marishi, your channel Astrologer. Let's see, what is it that you need to hear from me for the last week of September? Sagittarians out there, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. What is it that you need to hear from me for this coming week? Just one more time. Alright. Sagittarians. Your first card is the Ace of Wands. That's a beautiful. It has been tough. It has been challenging. But something is coming through which will change the situation. Okay? Something massive is going to come through which will bring about that shift which you were going through for so long. You were holding on to these struggles, these hardships. That is going to change. That is going to be something of the past. You have been manifesting this to come through. And now I feel like it's here. Okay? If it doesn't happen next week, it is coming. You were tired waiting for this to come through. You were struggling for quite some time, but now I feel like it's about time. And now it's being offered to you. It's going to bring about a change in your life for the better. Some of you might be dealing with another Sagittarian. What else, please? Could be an opportunity regards to anything. It could be a job opportunity, it could be a relationship situation, whatever it is a beautiful opportunity. Yes, just what I was speaking about. It is going to bring about a big impact in your life, a shift in your life, because we are looking at the Tower. It's going to rock your world. It's going to shake your world up. Okay, your next card is this one. I'm telling you, just it's blowing my mind right now. Oh my God, how blunt is your reading? It is coming. Okay? It is massive with this Ace of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. It's like you're being chosen for the blessings to be thrown at you, like directly at you. It's not going anywhere to anybody else. And it's coming in with this Knight of Cups. This person is carrying it. It's being offered to you. Alright, let me stop there. Some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius or a Pisces. Sagittarius, what else? Your next card is a Three of Wands. I'm telling you, you have been manifesting this. You have been waiting for this to come through. Okay? Because this is a merchant who is waiting for the ships to return. You have been waiting for this to come through. For the night to come through with this offer. Okay? Like you were expecting it to happen. It's like, I don't care how much difficult it is right now. I don't care because I know this is happening. This will happen. That kind of a aggressive vibe about you. I'm not going to give up on my life because I know it's going to get better. And you're waiting. Okay? That's rebellious energy of not giving up. Ooh. Nice. Some of you might be dealing with an Aries. Sagittarius, what else? And it is coming in fast. Okay? Knight of Swords is the fastest moving knight in this deck. It's like nothing is going to slow down these offers. Yeah? And you're somebody who is like, bring it on. That kind of vibe about you with this Queen of Wands. Like you know your worth. There is no question about it. You're like, just bring it on. I've been waiting. It's about time. You value yourself. how much ever shitty your life was, it didn't affect you too much because you knew you would get over it. Things will get better. And it is going to get better. Alright, moving on. Sagittarius, what is your next card, please? Your next card is this one. 5 Pentacles. It has been tough. Okay? You were struggling. You were, out in the cold, not knowing what needs to be done. All that. You might feel deserted. You might be financially struggling. But that is going to change because somebody is going to help you out with the situation. How blunt is your reading? Somebody is going to help you out. Yes, that help is coming. That help is going to come to, take you out of this phase of your life because it's not a good phase to be in. They're going to take you out of that phase by offering you these opportunities. It's like you're getting bombarded from every, aspect of your life. It's not going to be just one, I'm not going to, hype it up, but I feel like it's more than one blessing. Like, something will come through. It is going to change every aspect of your life. Not just the money situation. It could change, you will get into into a relationship, all of, it's like a dominos effect. One thing happens and it keeps coming in, like the blessings keep coming in. Sounds good, yeah? Yeah. That's what I'm getting for you. And I'm not hyping it up for you, okay? I'm not hyping it up. It is in the cards. And it is, I channel this thing. It might not be, you can't see it, but I will speak about it. Alright, moving on. Some of you might be dealing with a Taurus. Your next card is this one. Let me see what it is. Yeah. It is just It is just confirming what I just said. Okay? Everything in your life is going to have that alignment again. We're looking at the Temperance here. If you look at this person, I don't go into too much details, but since I was speaking about it, if you look at this person, the spirit, okay, she's a spirit. So she is, pouring water from one cup to the other. So there is this alignment which is going to come about with this aces which will enter your life. Everything will start having meaning. Yeah? Everything will be back on track for you. That is a kind of blessings which is, it's the dominos effect. You have waited for this for so long. Okay, with this Knight of Pentacles, it is the slowest moving knight in this deck. Okay, it takes its own sweet time, but it definitely reaches its destination one day. But that one day has come because we saw the Knight of Swords. It is coming in. It is barging in. Nothing can stop this from happening. This is something which, brings you this, you were waiting on this because you were emotionally invested into this. You wanted this. That is why we got the Three of Wands. You kept waiting for it to come through. Okay, you kept waiting for this knight to, knock on your door. Because you were dependent on this. Okay, dependent on this to take you out of the space of your life. Which is all about struggles, because initially I showed you the 10 of Wands. It's been a struggle, but you were helpful. You had faith in your life. Alright. Sagittarius, what else? What else, guys? This is not your next card, but it flipped out. The World card speaks about renewals, transformation, rebirth. Okay? So you are going to have a rebirth. Your life is going to change. There is a transformation which is happening. It's going to just flip for the better. Okay, your next card is this one. What is it? It's coming in. 8 of Wands is a fast-moving energy. It's forward-moving energy. Okay? And that Ace of Pentacles, whatever the Aces is, it is, you have been waiting for, it is coming in full speed. How beautiful is your reading? You will get out of the situation. You're not stuck here anymore. Okay? Wow. Some of you might be dealing, yes, you will end up like the Empress. Once this happens, you will be abundant. You will have everything which you wanted in life. Okay? It's coming in. Just open up for it. Okay? Open up to receive. Alright, what else, Sagittarius? What else? Your next card is the Page of Cups. Okay. At first, when you look at this, it's like not good enough. I feel like it will be packaged differently. Okay? When suddenly it is being offered to you, you might feel it's flaky. It's not good enough. This is not what I was expecting. That kind of energy is there. But then, I feel like it's a trick. It's kind of a, it's packaged differently. Like, you're being deceived by the packaging. Understand whatever it is solid. Okay? It is solid. It will bring about this stability in your life. Do not doubt it for the way it appears. It might seem like it just has a source of potential, not too much, nothing big, but it might be packaged differently. Okay? Just give it a chance. Just give it a chance, go with it, see where it takes you. I think it will take you places. Okay? Because with this Magician's energy, you can, change it around. You can play it around and manifest it into something bigger. Whatever you want, you can do with this opportunity. So just don't, shut it out. One last card. Some of you might be dealing with a Gemini. One last card for the Sagittarians out there. Your last card is this one. What is it? Ooh, it's in reverse. Some of you might be drinking. Okay? Some of you might be, just saying, okay? You're emotionally overwhelmed. Okay? When I'm looking at this 5 of Pentacles situation, and right underneath we have the King of Cups in reverse. There is this energy about substance abuse, being very overwhelmed with your situation, that it's taking charge of your life. But understand, you need to be grounded. When I'm looking at this Queen of Pentacles, you need to be grounded. Because even with this Temperance and the King of Cups, you need to keep your head in place. Okay? Just a little longer. You might be losing your shit, but you need to hang in there. Okay? There is no excuse. You need to hang in there. You shouldn't be losing faith in life yet. Because this Ace is coming through. Okay? This opportunity is coming through. Stay grounded. That is my only advice for you. Stay grounded a little more longer and wait for the blessings. You have been waiting, but just don't give up yet. Okay? It might be a little too much because we did see the 10 of Wands. It is, just don't let it get into your head. Don't let it control your life. Okay? If you're into some kind of a drinking or any kind of, drowning your sadness, just putting it bluntly, any kind of substance abuse, you need to put a leash on it. Okay? Otherwise it's pointless, because you need to balance out your headspace. Because when the blessings come in, you need to be able to, take over. So that's all I will tell you right now. That's it for now. This is Marishi, your channel Shaloka, and next time, bye bye.